This is the video guide dedicated to help you remove the malicious pop-ups related to the site Feltjewjoe.live. Feltjewjoe.live is a new deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you forced to participate in a fake survey. The real purpose of this fake survey is to force users into sharing a lot of their personal details. So if you see these pop-ups by Feltjewjoe.live, do not interact with them and do not install anything that these pop-ups suggest. Do not share your personal data through them. Just leave this deceptive page. Also, to make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com and download the program, install it, and start investigating your system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and delete other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.